Hi friend, welcome my channel. Today I will discuss how to climate data download from NASA website. So let's start how to download climate data from NASA website. Open the Google and search the power dot large nasa.gov. Enter. So open this Windows and here discuss. Welcome to Power Data Access Viewer and access the data. Click and open this windows and close the Power Single Point Data Access. Various way of this data collection, point and area specific. So this is the Power Single Point Data Access step, and next this is the Power Regional Data Access. So at first I select the Power Single Point Data Access how to process. So choose of user community. This is the renewable energy, and next there is the choose a temporal average, daily, interannual and climatology. I choose this climatology, and next enter lat long or add a point to map. This is the portion point, and click, and here lat long is automatically enter and clear, and point click and click. So automatically enter this latitude and longitude. Select the time, extent, start time, end date. Select the output file format. ASCII, CSV and etc. The file format. I choose CSV file format. Select a parameter. Give me 20 parameters. 20 parameters. So diurnal cloud information, meteorology, moisture and other, meteorology, wind and temperature, and meteorology, minimum earth skin temperature, and meteorology and moisture and other, precipitation, and diurnal cloud, frequency of near overcast skies, and meteorology wind, minimum wind speed at 50 meters, and next is the summit. So our single point data access is a NASA predicted to world with energy resource power higher resolution daily time series degree. This is this output file CSV, and click and automatically download this file. So in folder and open this CSV file format. So there is this point, latitude, and longitude, and climate data of this portion. And next, there is the I am discuss how to single point data access, and next process how to power regional data access. Choose a user community and climatology, interannual and daily. Climatology, enter a lat long minimum area possessed is the 4.45 degree and 100 points. So click here and press down to start and play go to this finish. So automatically this point is complete, and start date and end date, and CSV ASCII file format. So enter long, and this is this portion, and CSV file format, and limited 20 parameter, and diurnal cloud information, meteorology, moisture, and etc. So submit. So NASA prediction of world with energy resource power. This is output file CSV, and click here and download this NASA prediction of world with energy resource data, and show in folder and open this data. So there is this data of this climatology data of the NASA website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Latest update how to data download of this various website of this remote sensing and GIS related software.